Optimize your affiliate marketing with these tips. To a beginner, affiliate marketing may seem complex and confusing. However, taking the time to research and understand the process can be well worth the effort, as affiliate marketing has the potential to be a very lucrative venture. Incorporate this timely advice in this video to sidestep potential pitfalls. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, make it easy for your reader to draw out the information they want. Avoid complicated terms or technical jargon, keep your paragraphs short, and use bullet points whenever possible. Readers are more likely to scan your review quickly and make a decision than they are to read through a lengthy video. When placing affiliate marketing links on your blog page, consider using the advertising hotspots. These include the top left corner of your site, the end of your posts, and even contextual links in your posts. The easier it is for people to find and click on your affiliate links, the more money you will earn. While using affiliate marketing, remember that you want internet users to trust in you. If you use an ad for a product or company that you don't have faith in, your customers will not have faith in it, or you, either. Too many ads, or ads that are not relevant to your content, will seem suspicious, and visitors will end up not trusting what you have to say. Having to frequently recheck email messages to remind yourself of the task at hand wastes your time and causes other areas to suffer. If you condense the points included in the emails into an easy-to-read text document, you'll end up bettering your productivity. Simply refer to your saved list of jobs to be accomplished and be ready to work. Creating ebooks or viral reports is a great way to build up a strong base as an affiliate marketer. The more information you're willing to offer on any product or service, the more legitimate you will appear in the eyes of a potential customer. As long as you're willing to invest the time here, you can get great results. Focus on the sell-through, not just the number of clicks. Remember, affiliate marketing is not about the number of page views, it's about the number of people who follow through and buy. Just bringing someone to a page won't make you any money, so make sure the customer has a reason to want to buy what you are offering. Make a content site with affiliate links, not an affiliate site with some content added as an afterthought. Web surfers are a smart bunch. They can generally tell when a site exists only to pitch a product or service. Choose a topic you are passionate about and write videos about it, then research affiliate products that dovetail naturally with the subject. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be as challenging as it seems at first. There is a lot involved with it, but it is one of the best ways to turn a profit on the internet. Now that you have more knowledge about affiliate marketing, you should make smarter decisions that will lead to a larger amount of profits for you. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, You will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.